Only 47 have joined so far. I don't know the reason for the weak strength. Only 47 out of 70. 70 used to come. Out of 94, only 47. That means just 50%. Okay, I hope all of you are taking care of yourself. Are you taking care of yourself? Sanitization,
Yes,
mask,
sir.
you must use. I'm very sorry to tell you very bad news that EC head of Nizamabad, Madam Sachawani, died today due to COVID. We all are very sorry that is no more. And please, you also take care. Today, the here and now. Now read the questions, all of you.
Where is the
Read the following questions. Where
department
is the playground?
Where is the playground? Where is the department store?
See, where is the department store? Please observe the question. Usually, many people say that use departmental. Where is the departmental store? That is how many people speak. It is wrong. It should be where is the department store? It's not departmental store. Read the next question.
Where is the statue
Where
of
is
the
of the founder?
where
Where
do
do the students sit during the lunch hour?
Yeah, please
During
read
the
the question.
lunch hour.
Read the questions once again. I'm going to show you a passage which you are going to read and answer the questions.
Where is the
Where
playground?
is the
Where is the
playground?
department store? Where is the seat of the
Statue
founder?
of the
Where
founder.
the students sit during the lunch
Lunch
hour?
hour.
Yeah, I must hear all 46 voices. Now read the passage.
our college is situated between the government
Our
hospital
college is situated between the government hospital and the rotatory.
Behind our college, there is a big ground. Students play cricket there. Next to
Our
our
college,
college, there is a photo studio.
opposite our college, there is a department store
Opposite our college,
type
there
books,
is a
pencils, and
departmental
other
store
stationery items.
where
There is a
students buy
canteen in our
books,
college.
pencils,
You can find a statue of the founder
and
installed at
other
the entrance of
stationery
our
items.
college.
There
The
is a
college
canteen
looks
in
very
our
green
college.
because there are
You
many
find
trees
a
on the
statue of the founder installed at the
many
entrance of
benches
our
under the
college.
trees.
Our
The
college
college
looks
on these
very
benches
clean
green
because
because
there are
there are
many
many
trees on
trees on
campus. There are
lunch hours.
cement benches on the
Benches and
trees from the
on these
during
benches
lunch.
during lunch hour.
Lunch hour.
On these benches during lunch hour.
Or did you get the answers? Do you remember the questions?
Yes, sir.
What are the questions?
Where is the
Where is
playground?
the playground?
where is the department
Okay.
store?
Where is the playground? Where is the playground?
Behind our college there is a big
Behind our college.
College, there is a big
playground.
Okay. Where is it?
Behind our college.
Behind our
our
college.
college.
Okay. Behind our college. Behind our college. That is the answer. The playground is behind our college. Right. Second question.
Where
See
is
here.
the departmental store?
It is not departmental. It should be department.
Opposite of college.
Let me correct.
College.
Let me correct this. It is not departmental. It is department. Yeah. Second question. Where is the department store now? Tell me.
It is opposite to our
College.
Opposite.
Opposite of our college.
Right. So
College.
next
opposite
question.
our college.
What is the next question?
Where is the
Statue of the
Where is the
founder.
statue of the founder?
The
Yeah.
entrance of our college.
At the entrance of our
At the
college.
entrance of our college.
At the entrance of our
Yeah.
college.
The entrance of the college.
Next question.
Where do the students
sit during the lunch hour?
During lunch hour. Yeah.
Students sit on.
Students
On
sit on
these
this bench.
benches sit on benches during
There are
lunch
two
hour.
benches.
Right. Students sit on benches
On the benches
during lunch hour. Right.
Lunch hour.
Okay. Now, read the passage once again and list the words that indicate the positions of various things and places stated in or around the college. What is the question? List the words that indicate the positions of various things and places. Read the passage again. What are the words that indicate the positions? Placement. Our college is situated between.
The government.
Is it not telling you about the position? Between.
Government hospital.
Now tell me, is between telling you about the position or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir.
such words.
Yes, sir.
Find out such words.
Behind our college.
Yes, behind.
Next to our
Opposite.
opposite our
Next to, right.
Opposite.
Next to, opposite.
Opposite our college.
Not our college. Our college is not telling you. See, listen. Is our college telling about position? I have asked you to tell the words that denote position. It is opposite, not opposite our college. Opposite is the word that tells you about the position. Right? Next.
Yes, sir. Entrance.
Entrance of college.
Yeah.
Entrance.
Next word.
Entrance.
Entrance of college.
Is entrance telling about the position?
No, sir.
Yeah.
No, sir.
There is a canteen in our college. Which word is telling about position here? There is a canteen in our college.
Canteen is a position.
Position.
Can.
Which word tells you where the canteen is?
Our college,
Our college.
Our college.
Is our college telling about the position?
No,
And what
sir.
is in doing? What is in doing? The position is given by in or our college?
In.
See, let me change the same sentence. There is a canteen in our college. There is a canteen under our college. There is a canteen above our college. Which word is telling you the position?
In, sir.
In,
In.
Yes, sir.
in, under, above. Those are the words which are telling us about the position, not our college. Our college remains the same. But if we change this in to over or under, above, that is changing the position, right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now next sentence, you can find a statue of the founder installed at the entrance of our college. Which word is telling about the position?
Entrance.
Yes, nobody is answering, only one person is giving that to a wrong answer. After so much of explanation, you are giving a wrong answer. There is a canteen. You can find a statue of the founder installed at the entrance of our college. Yeah, it is telling about the position, not entrance. See, again, same. It applies. Similarly, you can use at the entrance. Please don't talk about anything else. At the entrance, near the entrance, above the entrance. Please, all of you, mute yourself. Don't talk when you unnecessary things, other things. When you talk other things, please mute yourself. Okay. Our college looks very green because there are many trees on campus. Which word is telling about position?
On, sir.
On, sir.
Right, right.
On,
Very good. Now you have understood which word is telling about the position. Now, there are a few cement benches under the trees.
Under, sir.
Under is telling us about the position.
Under.
Yeah. Students sit on these benches during lunch hour.
On.
Again, on is telling us about the position. Right. Very good.
On is telling about the bench.
Now, see, I have underlined the words which are giving us the position of the words: between, behind, next, opposite, in, at, on, under, on. These are the words. Student, please observe. Our college is situated between the government hospital and the Rotary Auditorium. You can't say government hospital is telling us about the position. You can't say Rotary Auditorium is telling us about the position. Which word is giving the position between government hospital and Rotary Auditorium? That means between is giving you the position. Behind our college, it is behind is the word which is telling us about the position of the playground. Again, next, opposite our college, there is a department store. Where is the department store? Opposite our college. So opposite is the word, not our college. Okay. So all these words are telling us about the
Places.
Positions.
Positions.
Yeah. Please be attentive. Please be attentive. Please be attentive. All these words are telling us about the position. What are such words called? Now tell me. Do you know any word for that? Any word that tells you about position? Now read the passage. Read the points, the 4 points aloud.
What are such words called? Words that denote relation between a noun or a pronoun and answer word in a sentence. Noun and answer word answers to where, position, direction of
Come as the answer to where, position, direction or location, and when time.
Location and when time.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, can you hear me? Electrical side.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
see,
sir.
these are called, what are they called?
Prepositions.
Prepositions. Can you define the word? Can you explain preposition? What is the meaning of preposition? Position, it is giving us the position, right? And the placement of preposition is usually before nouns or pronouns. Prepositions come before nouns or pronouns. Usually. Pre means, what is the meaning of pre? Anybody? Does anyone know the meaning of pre? Before, right.
Before.
Their position is before the nouns or pronouns.
Behind.
No, you are not understanding. You are not understanding my point. The position of prepositions is before noun or pronoun. Prepositions come, what I meant to say is, prepositions usually come before nouns or pronouns. Pre means before. That is why they are called prepositions, prepositions. Okay? words that denote relations between a noun or a pronoun and another word in the sentence. That is a preposition. A preposition tells you about the relationship between a noun or a pronoun and another word in the sentence. Okay? There is a noun here. There is another word here. What is the relation between these two words? That is what is given by a preposition. Prepositions, this is the most important point. Prepositions come as answers to where and when. Where and when. Prepositions come as answers to where and when. Where means position, it is giving position. When means it is giving us time. Right? Now let us go through some more. The prepositions usually comes before a noun or pronoun. This already I have explained. Now you please read this. This is a lyric which I have taken from the textbook. Please read it, all of you. Read aloud. Read
To
aloud.
know what's the preposition.
Your ambition to tell me
Please
exactly
read,
my
everyone.
position.
Please read aloud slowly.
I could be on the couch or outside my
on
house.
the
Following lyrics
or
to
outside my house.
know
Am
Go
I
outside.
your
Outside.
ambition to tell me
Did you go upstairs or fall off my chair? Am I not fond of
outside my
you?
house.
What kind of are you?
In your
Ambition. Tell me.
in front of me.
Position.
You want me to
Ambition.
ambition.
Tell me exactly my
Exactly my
position. Take a walk with
you
me.
are on this to tell me exactly my position. Now take a walk with me.
Preposition. Mission.
Yeah. Next slide.
And we will go by
Jump over a boat. Now I am about to say without thinking. When you are next to me, that's where you are among the giants. So then after this line,
Tell me my position.
Now please
one more time.
identify the
Your
prepositions.
ambition to tell me.
Identify the prepositions in these.
your ambition, prepositions, it's your ambition.
See, please don't be so foolish. Ambition is telling you the position and the time.
No, sir.
Then how did you say ambition is the preposition? Please don't be foolish. Think and identify the prepositions. Prepositions tell us about the position or time. This is what was the definition I gave you in the previous slide. Please read this definition once again. Words that denote relations between a noun or a pronoun and another word in the sentence. Prepositions come as answers to where and when. Answers to where is given are given by position and direction or location. Answers to when is time. A preposition usually comes before a noun or a pronoun. This is the definition I gave you. Now, in this lyric, identify the prepositions. The words which are telling about position or time, they are prepositions. Yeah. Is there any preposition in the first line?
No, sir.
Second line? Third line? Fourth line? Fourth line? On. Right, correct.
Answer.
Correct. Fifth line?
Outside, sir.
Outside.
Outside, correct.
Outside.
Outside, sir.
Next,
Across.
Across,
Across.
sir. Across.
correct, correct. Next,
Within.
Within.
within, right, right. Next,
Up.
up, correct,
Up, sir.
correct, correct. Next,
Fall off.
Fall off.
Fall off.
actually off is off, not fall off. Fall is the verb. And then next,
Off. Front, sir.
Front.
Front.
In, sir.
in. Or in front of, you can say in front of the entire thing. In front of.
Okay.
Then
Behind, sir.
behind.
Behind.
Next,
Behind.
next,
No. On your mission.
Answer.
on, right. Next, next. Last line, in the last line,
With.
with, correct, with. Now here, by, correct. By.
Along.
Next,
Along.
along, correct.
Around.
Around, right.
Underneath.
Underneath.
Inside, sir.
Inside.
Before.
Hope everybody is working. Everybody is identifying.
Before. Further.
Over. Next,
Over.
Above.
about, right, right. Next, without further delay.
Near.
There any- Further is also a preposition. Next here in this line. Next, correct. In this line,
Where.
where, right.
Near.
Near, right.
Among.
After, next, two, correct. Two came number of times. Two is also a preposition. Neena madam. Yeah, now let us read the lyric. Your ambition to tell me exactly my position. See, it is giving the definition of preposition also. This lyric is giving us definition of the preposition, and this lyric has used number of prepositions. There are number of prepositions in the lyric, and the lyric is explaining about the preposition. Your ambition to tell me exactly my position. So it tells us about the position. I could be on the couch, on, or outside my house. See, I could be on the couch, on is a preposition, or outside my house, outside. Am I across the street, across, or within your reach, within. Did I go up the stairs, up, or fall off my chair, off? Am I in front of you, in front of? Are you behind me too, behind? See, this is almost in each line there is at least one preposition. Preposition, it's your ambition to tell me. So the ambition of the preposition is to tell us about the position, and tell me exactly my position. Preposition, you are on a mission to tell me exactly my position. Now take a walk with me. See, Preposition takes a walk with me. And we'll go by the sea, by, and then along the path that goes around and back, and underneath the waves or inside a cave. And before we are through, we'll jump over the moon, over. Now I am about to say, without further delay, when you are next to me, that's where I want to be. Now we are near the end, but we are among good friends. So then after this line, we'll do it one more time. Preposition, it's your ambition to tell me exactly my position. It is a very beautiful lyric. It is giving the definition of preposition using number of prepositions. It's a very important lyric to remember to understand preposition. Now, so these are some questions for which we had answers in the previous lyric. What does the speaker want preposition to say? The speaker wants, yes. What does the speaker want to say? He wants to say that the preposition tells about the position. Where could the speaker be sitting? Is there any, did you find anything like that? Where could the speaker be sitting?
In front of you, sir.
In front of? I could be on the couch or outside my house, across the street, within your reach. See? Could be on the couch or outside the house, or across the street, or within the reach of the preposition. Where does the speaker want to take a walk? The speaker wants to take a walk. Where?
Take.
Is it there? Take a walk with me.
Last line.
And we'll go by the sea. Okay? Where does the speaker want to take a walk? By the sea. Is it not given here?
Go by the
By the sea. Whom does the speaker want to be among?
good friends.
The speaker wants to be among whom?
Friends.
Among
Good
good
friends.
friends. Among
Good
good
friends.
friends. See, the speaker wants to be among good friends. See, if you have the textbook, while reading the lyric once again, you can answer these questions. Read the lyrics again and list out all the prepositions. This we have already done. Now, note how these prepositions tell you the position of the speaker in relations to other things. Please note down all these things. Please make a note of all these prepositions: between, among, behind, beside, in front of, opposite, in, at, on. Some important prepositions I am going to give you. Please note down. Yes, have you noted down?
Yes, sir.
I sent you attendance link. I hope all of you have given attendance.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I will give one more time if you want. Now, between is used when there are two persons or things. In the middle of two persons or two things. The boy is standing between his parents. You will have number of questions on prepositions in your exam. Number of questions will be there. See, a sentence like the boy is standing among his parents may be given. You have to correct. How can you say among his parents when there are only two persons? When there are only two persons, you have to use between. The boy is standing between his parents, not among his parents.
Between his parents.
Yeah, if you say among, you mean to say that there are number of parents. No, it is wrong. Now among is in the middle of many, not Just two, more than two. The house is among the trees. So behind, at the back of, there's a tree behind the house. So there is a hostel behind our college, right? Where is our hostel?
Yes.
Beside our college.
Behind
Not
our
beside.
college. Our college.
It is not
Behind our
beside, it is
college.
behind. Is it beside
Behind
our
our
college or behind our college?
Behind our
Behind
Behind
our
our
college.
college. If you say beside, it
Behind our
is,
college.
yeah, if you say beside, it is by the side of. There is a tree beside the house. In front of, you know the meaning of in front of, before something else, there is a tree in front of the house. Opposite, directly in front of, there are two houses opposite each other. You should not say opposite to. Opposite, just opposite is sufficient. Where is your house? Opposite Ambika Theatre, not opposite to Ambika Theatre. Don't use to opposite after opposite. Okay. Such sentence also may be given for you to correct. Correction of sentences also is there for you this time. In second semester, you have correction of sentences. Sentences which have mistakes will be given to you. It is a very important topic. All these questions can come in correction of sentences also. You know, you have to be very careful. You will get 10 marks, at least 10 marks. 10 marks questions will come from corrections of sentences. In, covered on all sides. The cat is sleeping in the corner. At, expressing location or time. The man is standing at the corner. The man is standing at the corner. The man came at 11 o'clock. Location or time. This sentence is giving us the location. Where is the man standing? The man is standing at the corner.
At the corner.
Right. Now, when is the man coming? The man is coming at 11 o'clock. Okay. When and where? These are the two questions which can be asked to get prepositions as answers. Now, on means on top of. The cat is on the house. The cat is on the house. Right? I hope you have noted down all this. This you can practice at home, and tomorrow in tomorrow's class we shall do this. Tell the location of any 10 places that you know. Location of any 10 places that you know. Using prepositions, using in, using between, using among. You have to use as many prepositions as possible to give the location of some 10 places. Okay, about your house, the location of your house, the location of your college, the location of the hostel, the location of the kitchen in your house, the location of your school, the location of your bus stop, the location of your bus station, the location of the place where your father works. Okay, such locations. You have to give locations of 10 places that you know. Okay, you have to do that tomorrow. Now, please read this once again. Now we have less than 30 seconds. Within 30 seconds, we are going to get disconnected. We shall meet tomorrow by 11. Now, please read this again, once again aloud.
Between. In the middle of the boy is standing between his parents. Among. In between is
Is of more than
surrounded by the